Hey loves, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 3 easy, budget-friendly coffee table styling ideas that I feel like anybody can accomplish. So if that's something you guys are interested in, then please keep on watching. Before we get started styling our coffee table, I'm going to take all of my old decor off, clean the table down really nice so we have a clean, fresh slate to play with. Just a quick check-in. How are you guys doing? How's your families? You know I gotta check up on my people. So before we get started, let me know in the comment section how everybody is doing. For all of today's coffee table styling ideas, I'm using items that I have already had in my possession. I did not go out to purchase anything, so this is very budget friendly. You guys do not have to go out and purchase new spring decor. What I like to do every year is I like to look at the new spring decor that comes out and then purchase things that I really like. So don't go out to buy stuff if you already have stuff, but if you don't have stuff, then buy or invest in the things that you will reuse over and over and over again, the things that you will not fall out of love with. For our first coffee table styling idea, I'm going down with this cement vase that I bought from Teddy. I want to say it came from Teddy. It was very affordable. I want to say under 10 euros. I think it was even like 6 euros, but under 10 euros. And these stems as well came from Teddy, and they were 1.99 a piece. And I'm just using 2 stems to fill this vase. I wanted to start off with something nice and green, just to show that you guys do not have to go out and buy florals, or if you're not a floral girly, you can use a nice evergreen on your table, and that is timeless. Right adjacent to my florals, I'm going in with a single coffee table book, and on top of that I'm going to add my vase. This vase came from Teddy, and the books, all of my coffee table books, came from Amazon. To the opposite corner in front of the florals, I'm going down again with a single book and another vase on top. This vase also came from Teddy, and I want to say these vases range from around $4.99 to $5.99 each. Next, I'll be going in with a stack of 2 books, and then on top of that book, I'm going to add my decor vase, and this vase came from xoxo. If you guys are interested in anything I used, I will leave the links down in the description box below. For my second coffee table styling idea, I'm going in with this vase that I bought from xoxo, and this is probably one of my favorite vases. Then in the vase, I'm adding these very sparse yellow blossoms, and I also purchased these stems from xoxo as well. Now I know all of you do not have xoxo, but I do have a lot of options, similar options, and I will link them in the description box for you guys. If you guys are also interested in shopping my home completely, just join my LTK. I have everything posted on my LTK, my new purchases, styling ideas, etc. So if that's something you guys are interested in, then go ahead and follow me on LTK. Next, I'm going to add a stack of 2 coffee table books in front of my vase, and then on top of those coffee table books, I'm adding a smaller vase. But of course, if you guys don't have really dainty vases, just add any of your favorite small decor objects on top, and that'll be just fine. Right next to the vase, I'm going in with a stack of 2 coffee table books again, and in front of that, I'll be adding my decor vase. For my third and final coffee table look, this one is going to be a maximalist, y'all. First, I'm going down with a single coffee table book at one corner. Then right next to that, I'm adding a double stack of coffee table books. Right next to the double stack of coffee table books, I'm going to go in with a single coffee table book. And then in front of my single coffee table book is where I'm going to add my vases as well as my floral stems. For my vase option, I decided to go in with a more rounder vase, something that is short, and a more taller, slender vase. And to the taller vase, I'm going to add just 2 stems of my cherry blossom, and I'm using the pink cherry blossom just to add a touch of color to the table. I'm just going to add 2 to keep it very sparse and very minimal because we are filling this table out. To the very end of the table, I'm going to add a single book and I'm going to open it up to a page. Just choose whatever page speaks out to you guys. I wanted something a little more moody, so I decided to skip all of the color and go with something that had lots of blacks and browns. Because I chose a page with so much blacks and browns, just to balance it out, I went to the opposite end and added just my candlestick holders in the color black, and then in front of my vase I added my black tray and just my coasters on top as well as my candlestick holder. If you have made it this far, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys so much. Leave me some flowers in the comment section and also let me know which one of these table styling ideas was your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to thumbs up. Also comment. Speak to me, guys. Y'all know I love talking to y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Oh, and if you have not subscribed as yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Until next time, Auf Wiedersehen.